What's up guys, it's Ben with KameTrick, and for this week's video I've got a couple of neat things lined out for you. First of all, as I mentioned last time, I am going to be revealing my new vehicle, and then second of all, I've got some drift footage for you. We'll see if anybody can guess before I get there. So hint number one, it has a top, but it's not a convertible. Hint number two, it's got a shifter on the floor, but it's not a manual. With that said, the Civic is now sold, so I'm sure I'll miss the car, but I'm glad that I was able to let it go on to someone else who would enjoy it. It's actually going to an autocross family, so I'm sure it's going to be getting put through its paces, and I couldn't be happier that if I was going to have to let the car go, that it's going to go to some folks who are going to really enjoy driving it. Now, with that said, let's see what my daily driver is going to transform into for 2019. That's right, the new vehicle is a truck. I know some of you guys were probably hoping that I'd get a new sports car or something that would be a little bit more fun to drive on the street. But at the end of the day, the main focus for my channel, as far as my motorsports are concerned, is drifting, and I have been without a truck for far too long. I started drifting in 2003, and I have been street driving my car to events ever since. The truck is going to make it much more pleasant to go to and from. And also my daily driving experience is going to be a little bit more pleasant as well. The Civic was nice, but the truck is a lot nicer. I mean, it's 15 years newer than the Civic, and even it is still 15 years old. This is a 2003 GMC Sierra 1500. It does have the tow package, and it's just everything that I need. This is going to be an excellent vehicle for me to continue enjoying drifting. And it's not just a truck. And no, I don't mean that it transforms into some kind of mech, but what it will transform is the level of grassroots drifting that I can enjoy in 2019. This is going to make it a lot easier on me physically, emotionally, mentally. It's going to be a lot more comfortable as I push myself and my driving to the next level. There are a few additional things I'd like to do to the truck. Nothing major because it is just my daily. However, a few small personalizations and creature comforts that I'd like to enhance and revamp. So look forward to that. Also, before the off season is over, I want to take the truck and go out somewhere where maybe there are some light trails. I've got this camper top, I might camp out in it, and really just take a weekend and enjoy some classic truck things, which as a lowered sports car guy, I don't know a whole lot about. So if you guys have any suggestions for something that wouldn't cost tons of money, wouldn't require me to totally rebuild the truck, then let me know your suggestions down in the comments. I'm looking forward to doing that sometime this winter. That wraps up the truck debuting on the channel. Thank you guys for checking it out, and I hope that this truck lets us hang out in person next year when I get to go to more events around the Midwest, thanks to the towing capability I will soon have. I do still have to buy a trailer, but that's gonna be in the works. Next is a little music video I put together from a drift demo that we did at OMC. It was Zach with the 350Z, Ben G with his JZ 240SX, the kind of teal blue one, and then me. It was for a car show that kind of got mostly rained out, and it was terrible weather, but it turns out that the slow speeds and the full wet conditions made for some really interesting tandems. I learned a lot, and it was super fun. So check that out. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Have a good night. Peace. anybody party with cars and drift friends, please like and subscribe. Closer than I want. Oh, he's got that hardcore understeer for sure. If you're at a big drift angle, it's actually hard to tell that it's happened. Oh man. I guess he's dead. Yeah, okay. Saw the hands. Them hands.
Don't know why there's no sun up in the sky. Stormy weather since my man and I ain't together. Keeps me